In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Ethereum if you're living in the UK and you're a beginner to cryptocurrency. This method is perfect for beginners, and I'm going to show you and buy some Ethereum with you and walk you through step by step and show you everything you need to do. Now, this here is one method to buy Ethereum. There are loads of different ways and different exchanges which you can buy Ethereum on. And I also want to mention that I am not a financial advisor by any means, and you should only be watching this video for educational purposes. Right, so now let's get into the important stuff that you're going to need to know if you want to buy Ethereum for the first time. So to buy Ethereum or any cryptocurrency, we're going to need to buy it on an exchange. Now, there are many exchanges out there, like I just said, but the one we're going to be using in this video is going to be Coinbase. Now, Coinbase has a very simple interface. It's easy to use for beginners, and it's safe to go and buy and sell crypto using Coinbase. It's one of the most popular exchanges out there that people use to buy cryptocurrencies. Now, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and click on the link in the description below, and it's going to take you to a sign up page which looks something like this. So you're going to be taken to an invite page here to try Coinbase. So you can go and enter in your first name, your last name, email and password and create your account. And if you notice up here, if you buy $100 or more worth of Ethereum or any cryptocurrency, you will receive $10 in free Bitcoin. The current exchange rate for $100 converted into pounds is around £73. So if you buy £73 worth of cryptocurrency, you're going to get $10 free, which is around £7 in Bitcoin. Now, once you've logged in for the first time on Coinbase, it will look something like this. You can see we're on home, and you'll be able to see your portfolio balance, which if you first signed up is going to be 0. We can scroll down here and we can check the watch list, which is going to tell us the price of different cryptocurrencies, and it gives us opportunity to learn more about cryptocurrencies and earn money. Now, what we're interested in, first we need to verify our account, then we can go and buy some crypto. So what you want to do, you want to go to your profile in the top right hand corner, then go to settings. From here, you then want to go to account limits. And here what you can do is you can go and verify your account. Now, on all cryptocurrency exchanges nowadays, you have to verify with like a government ID, a passport, a driving license to prove you are who you say you are. And so the exchange can keep a record of who's buying crypto and who's selling it. Coinbase make this very easy. You can just upload a picture of your ID or your driver's license, and it will get verified within around 5 minutes automatically from the computer. There's no human review, so you don't have to wait days or weeks to get reviewed. You can do this whole process within around 10 minutes. So go and verify your phone number and your photo ID and your personal information, and then you're all set to go and buy some Ethereum. So on the Coinbase homepage, you've got a couple of options here. You can go to buy/sell, and what you can do is you can buy with your credit card or you can buy with your bank account. Now, this is going to depend on what payment method you've got on file. Now, when you first create your account, you're probably not going to have a payment method on file. But what you can do is you can go back to your settings and you can go and add one here. So if you go to payment methods, you can see I've got my bank account and my debit card. Now, there are two ways you can buy crypto. You can go and buy with your credit or debit card, or you can buy with a bank account. A credit or debit card is going to buy you cryptocurrencies instantly, but you're going to end up paying more fees because it's an instant process. Whereas if you go and deposit money through your bank account, you're going to pay a lot less in fees, but that transaction of getting your money from your bank to Coinbase is going to take around 3 days. So you can weigh up the pros and cons of that. For this video, I'm just going to buy with credit card. But if you're buying huge amounts, the fees are going to add up, so I would recommend using bank transfer instead. So go ahead and add your payment method. I've added my card here. Once you've done that, go to buy/sell, and it will open up this window here. Here we can buy, and we can enter in the amount of money we want to buy and take from our card. For the video, I'll just buy £15, and you can see here it's a one-time purchase. Now, what we want to do is we want to change this coin here to Ethereum. So you've got some options and some different coins you can buy. Change it to Ethereum here, and then you can choose your credit or debit card. So I'm just going to make sure that that's selected. And then you can click here, buy Ethereum. Once you do that, it's going to tell you the current price of Ethereum, which is going to be in pounds. It's going to tell you how much you're going to spend in total. It's going to tell you the Coinbase fees, which is £1.49 on a £15 transaction, which is quite a lot. But nonetheless, we're just going to go ahead and buy now. And we're going to wait for the bank to authorize that. And we then should see the Ethereum in our Coinbase wallet. And just like that, the payment is now processing. And your purchase was successful. So we brought 0.0059 F, and it will be available in our F wallet instantly. To get to our wallet, we want to go to Portfolio. And here we should be able to see all of the coins we've got in our portfolio. So I'm going to scroll down here and I'm just going to refresh this page. And we should see our F balance update here. So if we just scroll down here, you can now see we've brought some Ethereum here and it's exchanged it into dollars. You can go and change your currency here into pounds if you want to in the settings. I just like mine at dollars. That's how simple it is to buy Ethereum if you're living in the UK with Coinbase. Now, what I would recommend if you're buying a lot of Ethereum or just a lot of crypto in general, I'd recommend you go and send it to an offline wallet so you have access to those funds and so they're not stored directly on Coinbase. I'm not going to go into too much detail about that, but I will go and link a wallet in the description below, which is the one I use. It's a popular cryptocurrency wallet called Exodus. It's completely free to download and you can transfer your money from Coinbase to Exodus, which is an offline wallet. It stores all of these different cryptocurrencies here. That's all for this video. Make sure you do leave a like and comment down below if you've got any questions that I can maybe help you with. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and I'll see you all in the next one.